This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which drive Photoshop uses as the scratch disk, because that determines where temporary files accumulate. Open Preferences Performance and note the assigned disks. Make sure you pick the fastest available. Once done, free space by deleting temp files, emptying trash, and moving large media off the drive. You should aim for at least 10% to 20% free. Close other memory-intensive apps to prevent swapping. These steps reduce fragmentation and immediate write pressure on the scratch disk. Next, change or assign scratch disks so Photoshop writes to a faster, less used drive. This improves performance significantly. In Preferences Performance, select an SSD with ample free space as primary and optionally add secondary disks in order of speed. Make sure to check drive health and available space. If the target drive is nearly full, performance will still suffer. After making changes, restart Photoshop to ensure the new allocations take effect. If you work on very large files, consider using a dedicated external SSD for scratch only. Finally, perform explicit cleanup and handle problems. Quit Photoshop, then manually delete leftover temp files named like Photoshop temp to reclaim space immediately. If Photoshop reports it cannot write to the scratch disk, run disk utility or chkdsk to repair file system errors because corrupt sectors block allocations. Make sure to restart between fixes. If issues persist, reset Photoshop preferences to remove corrupted settings, and as a last resort, reinstall. Troubleshooting tip: if you still see errors, boot into safe mode and test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.